Today I'm checking out a spot called Haus. They're known for their Nashville hot chicken sandwiches, so let's see what they're all about. Look at that. Their Nashville hot chicken. As y'all know, most hot chicken places you can get different levels. I just got regular hot, but it looks really good. Chicken's nice and juicy. If spice is not your thing, hot is gonna be too spicy, so you might want to get mild. This is good. It has a good, very good kick to it on the first bite. Chicken, nice, juicy, and crispy. And it's a hefty size sandwich, just exactly what you would want. I give it a solid 9 out of 10. Fish, shrimp, you can get it with rice or fries. I got rice. I just want to see what the rice tastes like. Let's see what it tastes like. These shrimp are cooked perfectly. The rice is like a cilantro lime rice, which goes perfect with seafood. But overall, I give the dish 8.5 out of 10. Chicken and waffles.